Hey, what's up? This is Omari Haribin, and today's video, I'm going to walk you through the Squarespace platform. I'm going to show you how you can make a website for your nonprofit, for your next event, for your small business, using this platform, and I'm going to show you how to do it in, you know, a couple of hours, basically. All right. So this is a site that I put together for my mom a few days ago, and this is for her an event that she's putting on, a conference actually, for her new educational services company. So this is a really simple site. We've got a couple of pages here. And the great thing that I like about Squarespace, and I'm sure this is true for other website builders as well, is just how easy it is to create new content, add new content to the site, and to really iterate on it. And so this is a version that she'll probably go live with in the next day or two. And the whole purpose of this particular site and page right now is to get presenters for this conference. So everything is kind of structured around that. And the event, which is coming up in a few more months, if people want to register early, they can also do that. If they want to learn a little bit more, about the keynote speaker, they can do that. If they want to, what else is here? If they want to learn a little bit more about the organization, they can check that out as well. So it's really simple. The register now link takes them to an Eventbrite page, and then again, the call for presenters is really what the focal point is for this particular site right here. So I'm going to show you the back end, but I'm also going to actually just show you from the jump how to get started. So there's a link below this video to get started with Squarespace, and you can also save a little bit of money too if you use the promo code that I have included with that link. So if you go to that link, right, and you get started, the first thing that you do is you choose a template. And so the template that I actually chose for this was I don't think I searched education, but I know it's going to come up if I search education. Is impact. I used this template because I just liked how it felt. It already had the look and feel that I felt would be best suited for this particular site. And while that loads, I'm going to show you exactly what I did to customize it. So the great thing about Squarespace templates is that you can, uh, at least the version that we're dealing with right now, you can switch in between different templates. You can try them out. You can see what you like, see what you don't like, and you can still keep your content. So your content will stay, but you can switch and swap the style and the features and the functionality of that particular template. All right, so here I am with my new Squarespace site using the impact template. And while things load, I'm just gonna, keep talking because I don't know what else to do. And these videos are live, so it's no, I'm not going back and doing a whole bunch of cuts and stuff like that. So hopefully you can hang in there with me. All right, so I'm trying to snap my fingers and make it go. So the first thing that I like to do typically is anchor myself by uploading the logo or by outlining the site title, and then deleting the demo content. And once I've deleted the demo content, then I can start and do what I want to do. So this is the template by default. I really like it. I think it's great. There are definitely elements of this that I'm going to use in future iterations of the site. But for the time being, it's really just to get presenters. So that's the focal point. All right. So like I said, uh, the first thing that I like to do is edit the site title. And from here, you can upload your logo. And once you've uploaded your logo, then that's it. You got your logo. All right. Um, and then we're going to go back. And so what I just did was I just double clicked on that arrow. And now I'm going to click on pages. And this is going to bring me to my pages. All right. So these are all the pages, all the content for this website. And it's broken down where you can see there's a primary navigation section, and those are all of these links here. There's a secondary navigation, which is this button link, and then there's a footer navigation, which is currently empty, and then a bunch of pages which don't appear in any of the navigation. All right, so this is our home page, and it happens to be an index. I can tell because this is the index icon, and there are a bunch of sub pages. So each one of these sub pages are what we're looking at here. As I mouse over, it says banner, and that goes with right here, this banner page. If I keep scrolling, this is the what we do section, and that goes with this page here. And so this entire single scroll index is comprised of all of these subpages, and you can, uh, you know, delete a page if you don't want that. Let's say you just wanted to have this initial introduction and nothing else. You could delete all of these other pages here, and that would be it. Now I'm not going to do too much here, um, other than guide you around the template and around the platform so that you can understand how to use it. If there's something that I don't address that you might be stuck on, definitely let me know. Leave me a comment, and I'll try to get back to you, or you can just email me directly. All right. So again, if you've never worked with Squarespace before, once you mouse over a section, you get the option to either edit or play with the settings. So I'm going to hit edit. And what this allows me to do now is to add some content here. And as I mouse over these uh, different blocks, as they're called, I get the option I can click, and I get the option to add different kinds of blocks. So I can add another text block here, and I can add some content, and then I can make this a header size H1, hit save, and then let's say I wanted to change what the mission was. Again, hit edit, and then I can go in and I can change this. Now the blocks are can be kind of finicky. So for example, here there's a spacer, and I'm gonna create another spacer to show you how these things work. So I'm gonna add a spacer block, okay, and I'm gonna click and I'm gonna drag, and what this does is it adds some space between between blocks. All right, so I can drag it above, and once I see the line where I want it to be, I let go. That's basically the principle. And I can drag this, and there I'm creating more space. So that's pretty much how you manipulate these blocks. You can also add buttons, video, images. You can add galleries. You can add newsletter opt-in forms. There's a lot of different kinds of different kinds of content blocks you can add. So I'm gonna hit save. All right. And so that's the pages section, right? That's how you edit your page content. If you want to add pages, you can do that, right? And there's some pre-made page layouts that you can play with. Maybe if it's an about page, or a contact page. Just give me a moment. Okay, thank you. All right. Okay, that's better. Okay, so I'm gonna jump back over here to my site that's already pretty much done and ready to publish. Okay, here we are. And I'm going to take you over to the design tab. So we just walked through the pages for the demo site here. And I'm going to go into the design tab for this site. All right. Now the first thing which I showed you was the logo and the title. If you want to swap templates, you can do that here. And then site styles allow you to basically style the site. So change your colors, change your spacing, change your fonts, change the size of things, um, get everything to kind of match your brand, that type of thing. All right. So once you're in the site styles, what I like to do is I like to scroll through until I get to something that I want to change. Like let's say I want to change this button. Then I mouse over it, I click on it, and then over here, the styles that I can edit for this button show up. All right. And then let's say I want to see the styles for the entire page. I just hit show all. All right. And then these are all the styles that I can edit for the entire page. So maybe I want to add a border. I don't, but maybe. 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 All right, there we go. Okay. It just went away, I think. Trying to bring it back. There it is. And look, now I've got a little border, and actually maybe I like the border. Gives it a clean kind of a finish. Maybe I'll make the there we go. Yeah. I'm gonna try it out. And stick with it. I think it could work. Kind of makes it feel like like something that you can hold in your hand. All right, so these are your site styles. You know, there's not much to say other than go through it and get comfortable and get familiar with it. See everything that you can edit. Now, occasionally there'll be something that you can't edit or you might want to change and you can't edit, and that will require some custom CSS. But for the most part, everything is right there within the site styles. All right. So the final step would be adding your domain. And so to do that, you go to your settings, and then you go to domains, and you can get a domain. And if you have signed up with a business plan or one of the commerce plans, a domain is included, so you can get it for free, or you can just get a domain and pay for it. And they're typically like $20 for a year. All right, and then the final thing that I actually haven't covered that you probably would want to do for a site like this is to add your social links. All right, so those are the links that would show up right here. Right, so let's say I'm gonna. I don't know what her social links are off the top of my head, but maybe want to see what would happen if I add my email. There it goes. Right, so you would paste your social link in there and let that magic happen for you. And so you can add, what you're looking at here is another block that you can add. It's your social links block, and you can add that there. All right, and then finally, one last thing before I let you go, business information. Here you can put in your address and um, your business fax, phone number, contact, that type of thing. So that it helps search engines know that, okay, this website is tied to a particular physical location, and this is what that location is. All right, and there you have it, a really simple site, handful of pages. I've shown you how to edit the content, showed you how to style the content, and there's really not much more to it. If you have questions, again, please leave a comment. Let me know. I'll probably do more videos like this, probably do more in-depth videos. This is just a live off the cuff, something that I want to show you guys because I don't really do this too often. But yeah, that's it. All right. Take care. Peace.